Hi guys, it's Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner, and today I'm going to be sharing with you something new that I've got from the Not Too Shabby shop. I am still on their design team for 2023, and this year I'm also going to be getting their Paper Pad Club of the Month. So, you know, we love all of those fun pattern paper, so let's take a look at what's coming in the January Paper Pad Club. So we've got two paper packs. And this first one is Perfectly Snuggly. And it's got some pretty purples. It's got some cute kitties. Look at that. And yes, I love kitties. I've got 2 cats myself. So anyway, so we've got lots of pattern papers with kitties on there. This is a pattern that looks like glitter, so it's not real glitter. It's one with some kitties on there. This, I think, is supposed to be yarn. That does look kind of like some yarn where the cats have gotten a hold of it. And we've got a cute paw print. And then we've got this page that is some, it's not exactly ephemera, but it is made so you can cut it out and create your own. And of course, it's got some pattern paper on the back. There's some silver of that glitter and some pretty roses. And then we basically start back over. I think this was the first one. Yes, that was the first one that we had in there. Again, purple patterns. We've got all of these yummy goodness having to do with little kitties. So that means I think that there's four of each design. That is awesome. That means that the ephemera pieces, when you cut those out, there's going to be 4 of them of each of those pages. So we'll have a lot without having to dive into anything else. We'll have a bunch of stuff that we can play with to make some cute cards. So for the second pattern paper pack, this one is called Elephant Love, and we're starting off with some pretty purple hearts. Then we've got a bunch of cute little elephants. Look at those little guys. So we've got, it looks like a mama and baby elephants. We've got an elephant pair, and then we've got these that are peeking out of some little hearts. Those are adorable. And we've got some pretty flowers, all of them in blues and purples and teals. Another pattern here, let me flip that around, that's got the purple background, and again, the mama and baby elephant. So these are just so adorable. Okay, so this one we've got some trees, and then we've got, again, one of those pages that is the ephemera pieces that you can cut out. So that is kind of cool. And then some dots in some teal. I love the minty teal colors. And we pretty much start over again. So both of the packs have got 24 double-sided designs, and there's 4 of each design. So this is super cool. Okay, so I got all these little guys cut out. I think that the ephemera is just too stinking cute, and I've picked out a piece of pattern paper, the one with all the kitties, and then some purple glitter on the back, and I'm not exactly sure which way I wanted to go, but I do have also out a an A2 size top folding card panel. So I'm going to cut this in half at 3 inches. That way I can use both sides. And then I can decide, exactly how I want this to go onto my card. I do really like those kitties. I think they kind of look like, that would be kind of cool wallpaper. And then have that kind of as the wainscoting, and then have, yes, I think that is going to work out pretty good. But I do want to cut a little bit more off of my kitties. So I think I'm going to trim that back down, because the card panel is only going to be 4 1/4, so I've got a lot of room, even if I want this to be the most of it, right? I'm going to cut it down to 2 1/2. But so that this other strip is cute, I'm going to still cut, actually I'm going to cut it to 2 3/4 so I can have actually a kind of a full kitty on there. So I think that'll be cute. Just so that I can use this on the inside and have that cute little kitty image too. So this is going to go across the top, and I can cut it a little shorter so I have a little bit of white like I like a lot of the time. And then this piece has got some dark and some light glitter. So let's go ahead and cut that one down. I think I've got about 2 inches Yeah, I've got 2 inches left. So let me go ahead and cut that at 2. And that is also going to give me a 1-inch strip there. And I think I want to go with the darker color. I think that's going to look kind of cool. So I'll go ahead and add some liquid adhesive to the back on this one. And trying to keep it kind of close to the edges too, because yeah, I don't really want it pulling up from the sides, right? And then this one is going to be for the bottom. So I'm going to layer it, basically lay it down at about, give it about a 1/4 inch all the way around. There we go. Now I'm going to take my piece that has all my cute kitties on it and do the same thing. And if I lined up that bottom strip correctly, I should be able to put that right there to the edge. And I actually did it right. Awesome. So I was able to run it right up against the edge here. So now it's a flat layer, and that is going to be awesome. Next, I'm going to add some foam to the back of some of my images. Actually, that looks super cute, just like that. Oh my goodness. Do I want it a little bit further to the side now? I'm not 100% sure. I think that's, well, I'm not sure. I am totally not sure. So any of these would work, right? I mean, this lady by herself looks totally cool. Like, she is waking up, she needs her coffee, she's got her kitty snuggling there, and it looks super cute. Then we've got this little guy. I could go in the center by itself and just be snuggling there on the carpet. That is too cute. And then we've got the Coffee Anyone, and I'm thinking Coffee Anyone, I'm thinking it would look really cute if I had another couple of mugs there, which I've got stamps and dies for that. So that would be cute. And of course, we've got this little guy here, which is adorable, which I think would work really good with this. So I think what I'm going to go with, I like this one. I want to go with her. And do I want her to have the chair? I could have the chair here and have her a little bit to the front. I mean, she could sit in the chair, but then you can't see what it says. So I'm going with just her. I think that is perfect. So I put a bunch of foam dots on the back of this one. And tweezers, tweezers, tweezers. Where did I put my tweezers? And then we'll just place her right down here in the center. There we go. And that card, quick and easy with the paper pads of the month. I am going to be back later in the month with a live stream over on the Facebook page for Not Too Shabby, and I'm planning on sharing that one over here on YouTube as well. So I would love for you to come join me during that and check out this playlist for some other projects where I'm using Not Too Shabby Shop products. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.